Alright guys, how's it going? So after I made the last video, it kinda got me thinking a little bit, which can certainly be dangerous at times, so I do apologise. The video essentially highlighted why we can't use the Blender logo for things like YouTube tutorials, artwork, things of that nature. It essentially infringes on the Blender brand and it infringes on their trademark, and they're well within their rights to actually protect this. Now, personally, as a kind of YouTuber slash Blender user, I love highlighting the fact that I use Blender, and using the logo is a pretty quick and easy method. However, it does cause a problem. Now, rather than cause more problems, I believe a solution is actually needed. So, in theory, I actually propose we have a community standard logo. And what do I mean by that? Well, essentially, rather than using the Blender logo, we use our own variation of the logo, which highlights to the community that we're still making a Blender tutorial and it's something visually that represents Blender and something the whole community can use, something that doesn't infringe on the Blender's brand, something that can be supported by the Blender Foundation, maybe not endorsed but certainly encouraged would be the better terminology, and we use that as a standard, and that way we give the audience a visual cue and we also kind of meet in the middle. Now, this might be a silly idea, if it is, please tell me. I'm not a logo designer by trade. If I was doing the logo, I'd probably do something kind of lightweight and put a curve on it. But this could kind of be moderated, perhaps Blender Foundation, perhaps Blender Nation, or somewhere in the middle. And we actually set a kind of standard. Do me a favour guys, if you think this is a good idea, I'm more than welcome to listen to feedback. If you think this is a stupid idea, well, it's a stupid idea then, isn't it? Anyway, it's a pleasure meeting you. Peace.